Applications of Python. This session focuses on the real-world applications of Python, like web applications, GUI programming, scientific and numeric applications, and many more. Let's begin. Python is often used for web development. It has libraries like HTML, XML, JSON, FTP, and IMAP for Internet protocols. The PyPI has even more libraries like Requests, which is an HTTP client library, Beautiful Soup, an HTML parser, Feed parser that parses RSS and Atom feeds, Paramico for the SSH2 protocol, and Twisted Python for asynchronous network programming. And some frameworks like Django and Pyramid make the work even easier for us. We also have micro frameworks like Flask and Bottle. Python is also a good choice for developing GUI-based desktop applications and user interfaces. TK is the standard GUI library with Python, but we also have WX widgets, QE, PyQt, and PyGTK. Scientific and numerical calculations require speed and productivity. SciPy and NumPy help deal with maths, science, engineering, and numeric calculations and processes. Pandas is a great library for data analysis and modeling. IPython is a powerful shell for editing and recording work sessions. It supports visualizations and parallel computing. And Software Carpentry course teaches basic skills for scientific computing while also providing open access teaching materials. In software development, Python can be used for build control and management and testing and other things using resources like scons, buildbot, and roundup. Not only is it easy to learn, Python also has a large community to back it. This makes it a good choice for prototype development. It is also extensible and scalable. Python will enable you to build a lot of cool things. One of these is games. It has frameworks like Pygame and PyChyra, and also has a great many 3D rendering libraries. It is also used for a lot of other things, from network programming using Twisted Python to database access. It also has applications in business, education, and enterprises. It is used in console-based applications, image manipulation, and 3D CAD applications for 3D modeling. Python is also used for computer vision in automatic cars and such as a scripting language, and also for scraping the web. But the most desired applications of Python are the fields of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science. These can pave you an exciting career path and bring home a hefty amount as well. Python is a general-purpose language that has quickly made its way into our hearts. Next, let's compare it to some other languages.